if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Glamour Girl 98, and here on this channel we discuss all things Sisterlocks, fashion, lifestyle, and a bit of health. If that's some of the content that you'd like to hear more about, go ahead, click the subscribe button, hit that notification bell not once but twice, drop down in the comments and say hello. I know your mother's taught you better, so go ahead and say hello. Let me know you stopped by, and go ahead and like the video while you're at it, okay? So we are going to get into the video for the day. And I first say, look at that texture. Look at my locks, y'all. I'm so happy. So today's video is going to be about those essentials that you need for installation day. So I know there are a ton of videos out there, and some people have like lists of things to do. And I understand it's a lengthy process. You are probably going to spend about 8 to 10 hours a day with your loctician for maybe 2 to 3 days. I spent 3 days with my loctician, about 8 hours, 9.5 hours each. And so I think that there are some items that you need to take with you to be prepared. First of all, I think you need to take some pillows with you. Please take some pillows with you. Your back, your neck, your behind will thank you, okay? By the time I was done, day 3, I was fully and thoroughly convinced that I had a pressure ulcer on my coccyx. Yeah, y'all, a sore on my butt. It was just like, I took one pillow for like my back, and I tried to rotate it between my back and underneath me on my butt. But take a pillow. Your behind will thank you later, okay? The second thing that I recommend you take is, first of all, let me show you my bag that I carried all my stuff in. If you guys haven't seen my video about what's in my bag for 2022, this is my work bag. I take it with me and I load it up for work every day, but I did take it with me on my install. So anyways, no, I didn't take this bag with me on my install. I took my Louis Vuitton Neverfull with me on my install. But anyway, some of the things you should take with you: a blanket, a nice warm, I'm a leopard print kind of girl. Leopard print is a neutral. I don't know if you know this, but it is. It's a neutral. And one day I will show you all the leopard print I have. I often joke with the girls, the nurses I used to work with on the floor, that I was going to be the little old lady at the retirement community with the red lipstick on and her leopard print and her big glasses. I have like my iris opal glasses, you know. Anyway, I'll show you. I usually wear glasses on a regular basis, and I have glasses to match my outfits that I wear. So anyway, a blanket, okay? You take your phone, of course. I can't show you mine because guess what I'm taking with mine? For recording. Did I just date myself saying taping? I think I did. I'm recording this video with my phone, y'all. Some food, some snacks. I got a yogurt. I'm an intermittent fasting type of girl, so I don't eat until noon. I eat from noon to 8. So I have some yogurt. I like potato chips. That's my downfall in my health conscious journey. So I got like 2 bags of these little kettle cooked chips, potato chips. I don't like sweets, but I like chips, okay? 17 grams for this little bag of carbs. I have my shaker blender bottle with me, and I've got some protein packs in here to mix up with some water. I've got my water bottle with me. If you don't have a metal water bottle, get one. It changes your life. I promise you, it changes your life. I just got this. It had to be around Labor Day, and at Joann's, and I was like, "Ooh, this keeps your water really cold, and it's so fresh and refreshing." So, my water bottle, of course, my mask, to have my mask on while she's doing my hair. gum, some reading material, some leisurely reading material. EKG, yeah, I use this for work, some work material, and then like some health and wellness material. I've got my planner so that I can make my appointment, my next appointment. I couldn't find my Bose earbuds, but I do have my Apple's earbuds here, so yeah, that's about it. That's all I brought. You don't have to like pack up your whole life to go there. I will typically like pack a little sandwich or something like that. I didn't feel like making a sandwich just for this video, or making like a little salad to put in there, but I would have that as well. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm glad that you've made this step, because obviously you're going to do it if you're watching this video, right? And I just want to tell you, you won't regret it. You will not regret it. And just trust the process and trust the journey, okay? Just wanted to give you guys a quick outfit of the day. This dress is from Boohoo. I literally just took the tags off of it today. It's like 2 years old. It's still available on the website. I'll put the link there. The purse is from my grandmother. That purse is like 55 years old, leather structured, and I have my over-the-knee boots. Want to give you ladies a mod look today. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. Have a great day.